How to know if someone is on another call on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Snapchat does not provide a direct feature to notify users if someone is on another call. However, there are subtle indicators that may suggest the person you are trying to reach is currently engaged in another call. So the first is call ends immediately. If you initiate a call and it ends abruptly without ringing, it could imply that the user is already on another call. And second, the notification says can't join. After a few rings, if you receive a can't join message, it might indicate that the person is occupied on another call. So these were on how you can know if someone is on another call on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment. If you have any queries, also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.